Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that's turning heads and lighting up hearts, quite literally. Introducing what we believe is the best customized birthday frame available online, the Kasofong custom picture frame with night light. Whether you're looking to gift a loved one or commemorate a special moment in your own life, this frame offers a personal, beautiful, and functional way to do just that. Let's begin with the core of what makes this frame so special: customization. When you click Customize Now on the product page, you'll be guided to upload your favorite photo and optionally add a name or a meaningful date. The result is a one-of-a-kind frame that holds more than just a picture. It holds a memory, a moment, and a message. This isn't just about framing an image. It's about capturing an emotion and giving it the place it deserves in your space. Now, what truly sets this apart from traditional photo frames is its night light functionality. The base of the frame includes a built-in light system that offers multiple lighting options. You can choose a warm monochrome glow for a soft, cozy ambiance. Switch to a 3-color setting for more variety, or go all out with a 7-color mode that cycles through shades. Whether you're using it to add some romantic flair to your bedroom or setting the mood for a celebration, this lighting feature enhances the emotional impact of the display. Speaking of display, this frame is designed to sit beautifully on any tabletop, desks, bedside tables, bookshelves, or mantles. It measures approximately 8.6 inches long by 5.9 inches wide and is shaped in a clean, modern rectangle. The frame is constructed from a combination of wood and high-quality acrylic, giving it a durable build with a sleek, high-gloss finish that really catches the eye. And because it's acrylic, it's both lightweight and shatter-resistant. So if you're gifting it to someone who moves often or has kids running around, you can feel good knowing it'll stand the test of time. The transparency of the acrylic also makes the photo appear as if it's floating when lit, a subtle touch that adds to the magic. Now, who is this product for? Honestly, everyone. This makes an incredible gift for birthdays, anniversaries, weddings, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Valentine's Day, or even as a sweet surprise on an ordinary day. It works equally well for men and women, for parents, friends, or couples. If you're in a long-distance relationship or simply want to remind someone you care, this frame becomes a heartfelt gesture that lights up their world, literally and figuratively. One thing to keep in mind is shipping. If you're ordering internationally, like to India for example, this item may not be eligible for direct delivery. Make sure to check delivery options or consider using a package forwarding service if needed. It's worth the effort, trust us. In conclusion, the Kasofong custom picture frame with night light isn't just a frame. It's a personalized keepsake, a decorative piece, and a source of gentle illumination all rolled into one. It brings your favorite memories to life in a vibrant, glowing way, making it the perfect gift or personal memento. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have a question or want to share your own experience with this product. See you in the next one.